guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So let's go ahead and head into CVS for the deal starting the 4th through the 10th, I think it is. November 4th through the 10th. So let's go ahead and get into it, and happy early November and no, it's not Thanksgiving yet. And happy Halloween, because when this video is going up, it is Halloween. So I hope everyone has a fantastic holiday with their family and their kids and whatever you are doing for Halloween. So let's go into CVS. Okay, so the CVS cash card is back. So when you spend $30 or more in select items, you need to look for the item that has a little Santa hat, then you're gonna get a $10 cash card. So this is different from the extra care bucks because you can actually use the cash cards to buy eggs, you could use it to buy milk, so you can actually use those to buy dairy. You just can't use them to buy lottery tickets and gift cards. So you also can buy wine with it too, so just keep that in mind. So when you spend $30, the scenario I'm doing is on the CeraVe items, so they are buy one get one 50% off, and when you spend 30 you're going to get 10, so I think that's a great promotion. So my scenario is to go ahead and buy 4 of these CeraVe makeup removing cleansing cloths. I've actually tried these, I actually really like them. So what you want to do is buy 4 of them. It's going to come out to $30.87, and then we have a 4 off 1 coupon that you can use from our inserts. You can use a it's a 3 off 1, so you would pay $27.87. And then if you have a 5 off 22 CRT for facial care, you could pair it here. So I have that CRT, so it's going to make it, so I'm going to pay $22.87, and then I'm going to get back that $10 cash card, so it makes it $12.87, which I think is a really great price, because the regular price starting out is $10.29. Some other items that I'm actually going to be picking up, my out-of-pocket is going to be a lot higher, but I want to try some of the CeraVe line. So what I'm getting is the AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. I'm getting this because it has SPF, and then I'm going to go ahead and try out their CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and try their eye repair cream, and then I'm going to be picking up one of the moisturizing creams. So when brands like this are buy one get one 50 and there's a cash card attached to it, then I really try the line, and I'm looking for a more cost-friendly drugstore item that does the same as some of the expensive ones. So if you guys want me to let you know what I think about this skincare line, then just let me know in the comments below. All right, you guys, so Physicians Formula this week is on a buy 2 get $10 back in extra care bucks. So a lot of you have been telling me that you haven't been able to find the lip gift sets. So something that I could suggest you doing is just picking up some of the full size. So they're priced for $8.79. You could buy 2 of them for $17.58. And then you get back that $10 extra care bucks. So final cost is $7.58 for 2 of them. And I'm actually wearing one of the colors. I'm wearing Berry Healthy. Berry Healthy is a color that comes in the little gift set, but if you can't find it, I highly recommend this lip color. So if you can't find the gift sets, maybe just get 2 full sizes because they're fantastic. So if you have a CRT for cosmetics, then definitely use it here as well. Okay, you guys, so we have a deal on the soft soap. So the soft soap, these guys are priced 2 for $8, and you're going to get a $4 extra care buck when you buy 2. So if you don't have a CRT for body wash, then these are going to come out $2 a piece, which is, you know, not the best deal. But if you have a 3 of 10 CRT like I have, what you would want to do is buy 4 of them for $16, and then you will take $3 off with the CRT. So you're going to pay $13, but then you'll get $8 back in extra care bucks, making the final cost $4.45 or $1.25 each, which I think is great because the starting cost is $4.99. And if I can recommend 1 scent, it would definitely be the Citrus Splash and Berry Fusion. This is my absolute favorite, and yeah, I think that's a great deal if you have the CRT. So we have a deal on select body washes. So when you spend $20 or more, you're going to get a $10 extra care box. So what's included is the Dove, Caress, St. Ives, and Suave. But I think that the best bang for your buck is going to be on the St. Ives. So these St. Ives, they're priced for $4.99. So my store doesn't do that 98% rule. So my scenario, I'm buying 5 of them because I need to get over that $20 mark. So I'm buying 5 of them for $24.95. Now, I got a CRT to take 3 off any 10 St. Ives face body wash or lotion, and then I also have a 3 off 10 body wash CRT. So I'm going to stack both of these. So I'm going to pay $18.95, and then I'm going to get back $10 in extra care box. So it makes it $15.95 for the 5 of them, or $1.79. So there are $1 off 1 cashback rebates on checkout 51, but they expire on the 31st. So hopefully they refresh. So if we get those $1 off rebates with the St. Ives, it's $1 back, limit 3. So final cost would be $1.19 with that rebate, but we're not going to know until November 1st comes around to see if they're going to restart it. Okay, so I think that this would be a really great deal on Dove as well. And actually, now that I'm on this like sulfate-free kick, the Dove has no sulfate in it. So this big 34 fluid ounce, it's the 1 liter. This is priced for $12.79. So for easy math, let's just round it off to $12.80. I'm gonna do old-fashioned math. So buy 2 of them. So buy 2 of them for $25.12. And if you have that 3 off 10 CRT, definitely use it here. So now we're at $22.12, and then you get back that $10 extra care buck, making it $12.12 for the both of them, or $6.06 each, which is great. It's half price. Regular starting price is $12.79. So if you're someone who likes Dove, this would definitely be a good time to take advantage of this deal. Also, I'm not sure if there are any manufacturer coupons or if there are currently manufacturer coupons. If they are, I will let you guys know right here. But this would be a great time to get some Dove products as well. Okay, so the L'Oreal Everpure is on sale 2 for $15, and when you spend $15 or more, you're going to get a $5 extra care box. So what you should be doing is picking up the 2 of the Everpure shampoos. This is the sulfate free. Look for the packages that say 30% more, because there's the same price as the regular one. So this is 11.05 ounce, this is an 8.5 ounce, and they're the same price. So pick up the ones that say 30% more. So pick up 2 of those for $15, and then pick up any of the stylers, because I've been reading the ingredients and their line of stylers don't have sulfate in it as well. So pick one of the stylers up. It is $10.29. So your total is going to be $25.29. Now you don't have to do the scenario I'm doing. I'm just sharing with you guys what I'm doing. So I got a 5 off 20 L'Oreal hair care CRT, and then I also got a 4 off 18 CRT for hair care. So I'm going to stack both of these. So that's going to take $9 off. So now we're at $14.29, and then a $5 extra care buck is coming. So it's $9.29 for all 3. If there are any manufacturer coupons that come out for L'Oreal, it's going to make it even lower. I'm not sure what the manufacturer coupons are going to be, but again, I will let you guys know here or leave it in a pinned comment, because it is only Tuesday when I come in and film these deals for you guys, so I'm not sure what the deals are going to be. Also, the L'Oreal Elvive is included in this, but I'm sharing with you guys the sulfate free because I have color treated hair and I'm trying to preserve the color. So you want to go sulfate free if you have color treated hair, and then if you are a blonde, you need to go for a blonde shampoo. So they do make a blonde shampoo, so this is going to help get the brassiness out of your blonde. So if you're blonde, go for this purple bottle right here, but if you have darker color treated hair, they don't have one for brunettes or redheads, but just go with any of the color preserve lines. So I'm going to go over some of the oral care deals with you. So first deal is going to be on the Colgate. Okay, so the Colgate Max Fresh, these guys are priced for $3.49, and we're going to be getting a 50 cent off coupon, and our inserts come the 4th of November, but there's currently a printable on coupons.com. It's 50 cents off any 3 ounce or larger, so you can go ahead and print this and have it for Sunday. Otherwise, there's one coming out on the Smart Source, and you're going to get a $2 extra care buck when you buy one. It's a limit of 2. So after your coupons and extra care buck, it makes this guy 99 cents. The Colgate Optic White toothpaste, these guys are priced for $4.99, and we're getting a $2 off one coupon in the Smart Source on Sunday, and also a $2 extra care buck when you buy one, limit 2, so it makes it 99 cents. Now the Colgate Total mouthwashes, these are the 16 fluid ounce, so it's the 500 milliliter. These guys are on sale for $3.99, so right off the bat it's a nice sale price. And we are getting $2 insert coupons in the Smart Source, and everyone's going to get a $1 extra care buck, limit of 2, makes it 99 cents. But I have some scenarios for you guys to get some free toothpaste and some free mouthwash. So at least I have my clip. Vicky, at least I brought my clips this time. So if you guys got that 4 off 2 Colgate CRT, so it's for toothbrushes, mouthwash, or toothpaste, then these next deals are going to be for you. Don't worry, I have a slide for you, so just follow with me. So, whoops. Okay, so the first scenario is you could buy 2 of the Optic White toothpaste, so they're $4.99 each, and then go ahead and buy 2 of the Max Fresh toothpaste. These guys are $3.49, so your total is going to be $16.96. Then you can use that 4 off 12 CRT, and then you can use 2 of the 2 off 1 coupons for the Optic White, and then you can use 2 of the 50 cent off 1 coupons for the Colgate Max Fresh. Now you're gonna earn, so let's see, you're gonna pay $7.96, and then you're gonna earn $4 with your purchase of 2 of the Optic White, and then you're gonna earn $2 for your Max Fresh, so total of 4. So that's gonna make the final cost free because you're earning $8 in extra care bucks after you pay $7.96. So you can get 4 toothpastes for free. The next scenario is to go ahead and get 2 of the Colgate Max Fresh. So these guys again are $3.49, and then get 2 of the Colgate mouthwashes. So these are priced for $3.99. And then use 2 of the 2 off 1 coupons coming in the Smart Source for the mouthwash. Then use 2 of the 50 cent off 1 coupons for the Max Fresh, and then use that 4 off 12 CRT for Colgate. So again, you're gonna pay $5.96 after your manufacturer coupons and the CRT. You're gonna get $2 for the Colgate mouthwash, and then you're gonna get $4 for the Max Fresh toothpaste. So you're gonna get $6 in extra care bucks total, making it free. And again, you guys, I have a slide for you so you can follow along with the slide, because even me, like, I'm getting confused with this. So yes, just go to the slide. The slide's gonna help you. You guys, so I hope that you guys got that 5 off 2 CRT for the Johnson & Johnson. So these guys are buy one get one 50% off. So what you want to do is buy 2 of the Johnson & Johnson, the new packaging. This is what you want to get. So they're $5.99, and they're buy one get one 50% off. So you're going to buy 2 of them for $8.95, and then use 2 of those printable 2 off 1 coupons. So they're on coupons.com currently right now. But you can also send one to your CVS card if you don't know how to use your CVS app. I have a video below explaining it. And then when you pair this 5 off 2 CRT, it's $9 off, so it makes both of them completely free. So this is an awesome deal. So a little mini review here. My son has eczema, and this does not work for him. So prior I thought it was working, but it's not. And our pediatrician told us to stay away from this one with his skin sensitivity. But if your kids don't have skin sensitivity, then go ahead and use it. I've actually been using it for myself too, and it's a great body wash. So, you know, no shame here. I'm fine using baby wash, and the Cotton Touch lotion is actually great after you shave your legs too. So highly recommend both of these, whether if it's for your toddlers or your babies that do not have skin sensitivity, or even for yourself. So yeah, I'm picking these up because they're free. Okay, so this week, Pampers diapers and also the Easy Ups. These guys are priced 2 for $20, but there are no extra care buck offerings. So if you have that 4 off 2 coupon from the P&G, it makes them 2 for $16 or $8 each. Now if you have a 3 off 15 CRT for diapers, then it would be 2 for $13 or $7.50 each. If you're not picky, you'll want to go on the Huggies route, because Huggies are buy one get one 50% off, and when you spend $25 you're going to get a $7 extra care buck. So there are currently $1 off 1 send a card coupons with the CVS app, and this sale includes baby wipes as well. So you can mix and match with your diapers, you can mix and match, you could do all baby wipes, maybe you just need baby wipes this week. Whatever you want to do. You can even go with the big boxes. So I never really highlight the big boxes. So you could also even go with the big boxes. So the big boxes are priced for $21.99, and they're buy one get one half off. So the second one would be $11. So your total would be $32.94. And then currently we have that $1 off coupon. And I'm committed to this math. So $32.99 for 2 big boxes of the Huggies, and then there's that $1 off coupon you could send to your CVS card. So now we're at $31.99, and then you get a $7 extra care buck when you spend $25 or more. So now we're at $24.99. And then if you have a CRT for diapers, say a 3 off 15, now we're at $21.99 for 2 big boxes. So theoretically, if you have that 3 off 15 CRT, if you have that $1 coupon you send to your card, and when you factor in the extra care bucks, basically you're getting one of the big boxes for free. So $21.99 for 2 big boxes of diapers I think is a really great price, but they are limited in terms of their sizes. So I'm only seeing the Huggies diapers for size 3, 4, and 5. Looks like size 6 is out at my store, but that's just my store. So this is just another route. I've never highlighted box diapers before, so might be a thumbnail. So these are all the deals for CVS. Another one that I left out is on Trident gum. So Trident gum is 3 for $3, and you're going to get a $1 extra care buck back when you buy 3 of them. So it makes it 3 for $2. Now, if you got a $1 off 3 coupon for Trident like I did, final cost is going to be $1 for 3, or around 33 cents each, which is a great deal. So these are all the deals. Now these are all the deals I have to share with you guys. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. And I just want to let you guys know that my P.O. box will be open for Christmas cards, because once November 1st rolls around, I'm in like crazy holiday mode. And I'm also sharing my P.O. box with Ashley from Ash Loves Coupons. So any letters or anything that you want to send to Ashley, I will forward to her when I see her. So I'm just opening up my P.O. box for her to use anytime she wants, because my husband needs the P.O. box for his business anyways. So as long as my husband is in business, I'm always going to have a P.O. box. So I am offering that to her so that she can get letters and such from you guys as well. So, and if you have not watched Ashley's video about her weight loss struggle, you need to go and watch that video. I am so proud to call her one of my best friends, and I just love how she's able to share her vulnerability to you guys, because someone was helped by watching that video. So I am just so incredibly proud of Ashley for sharing that. And also Nicole, Vanessa, and Kiara, their cookbook is now live on Amazon. So if you have not purchased your cookbook, you need to. And I will talk to you guys all later. Bye. And the countdown to 20,000 is starting. We are so close. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, my goal is to get to 20,000 by Thanksgiving. That would mean the world to me. So if you are not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe below, ding that notification bell, and stick with me for the Super Bowl of savings, which is holiday deals. Holiday deals.